Hi guys, so today I'm doing a review of these brand new nail tips that I have bought. I bought them on Amazon. They looked very sturdy. I love the shape and they give you a beautiful C shape as well, whether you want to do coffin nails or even cut them down and do stilettos. My favorite glue, KDS, works best. So just keep on watching and I'll explain exactly what's going on. The minute I put the glue on and the nail tip on, I don't know what happens, but the nail just keeps on cracking and just like dissolving. It's kind of like if you're putting something in an acid and it's just not working properly. And it's already cracked. Just keep on watching. It takes a long time and now I'm pushing it down so it sticks, but it's stuck to my nail and this is what I get. So in order for me to be able to actually get the whole full set, I use maybe about 20 tips or even more on one hand to be able to get these tips attached. So I finally got it, but it's not perfect. They still cracked and you could already see it. And I was really, really afraid to even cut them down, that I was afraid that it's going to crack even more. I actually ended up taking them off and using one of my old tip sets. So this is my thumb, and now you're gonna see my pointer finger, which is even worse. And that's with every single tip, so don't buy.